To uninstall MariaDB from Windows, follow these steps. Stop the MariaDB service. Before uninstalling, ensure MariaDB is not running. Open Command Prompt as administrator and type the following. Alternatively, you can stop the service using services by pressing Win+R, typing services.msc and stopping the MariaDB service. Uninstall via Control Panel. Open Control Panel and go to Programs, Programs and Features. Locate MariaDB in the list of installed programs. Right-click on MariaDB and select Uninstall. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the uninstallation. Remove remaining files. After uninstallation, some files may remain. To fully remove MariaDB, manually delete the following folders. You can also remove the data directory where the database files are stored. Clean the Windows registry. Open Registry Editor by typing regedit in the Run dialog. Search for MariaDB entries and delete them if necessary.